An Apple ad network can be good for all. An Apple ad network would also be interesting to the legal maneuvers happening right now. Apple is suing HTC over the Nexus 1 on patents for touchscreen phones, and I'm sure Google has some patents themselves on interactive and online and mobile advertising, user-managed advertising networks. So if the battle ever ended up Apple versus Google, there would be some cross-licensing of patents. Just like Apple and Microsoft did, I believe it was like the early 90s when Bill Gates came to an Apple event and said we are committed to Office on the Mac, and we're cross-licensing patents between Apple and Microsoft. Same game.
We think Apple makes a huge contribution to the computer industry.
The era of setting this up as a competition between Apple and Microsoft is over as far as I'm concerned.
If Apple and Google decide to settle, Google shares some of their advertising patents, Apple shares some of its touchscreen patents, and things move on, and suddenly you're going to see Eric Schmidt at the 2011 Apple keynote. Apple knows marketing. Apple knows what makes headlines, especially Steve Jobs. All the pictures of Steve Jobs and Eric Schmidt at a coffee house was purposeful. I'm sure it was leaked somewhere. You bloggers need to get over to this coffee house right now. So we'll see what Apple has to unveil April 7th.